Hey guys, actually welcome to my YouTube channel. In our previous tutorial, I explained on how you can successfully create your NELFUND application account. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your dashboard and apply for the NELFUND loan. So let's get started. Head over to the portal. You will see a place like this. Head over to portal. Click for the login. Check for the login. Use your login details, the email address you used to register and the password you used to register. Watch in our previous tutorial video. In the previous tutorial video, I show you guys on how to create account. So here we are going to log in. This is step on how you can log in using your educational information, that is your email address and your password. Then you click login. So by the time you registered and you log in successful, so it will prompt you to a place that you have to complete your profile. Though mine is because I've already completed my profile, that is, everything is detailed here. So in yours, it will be showing you to complete your personal details. This is where you complete all your information, your name, middle name and other things. Then your contact details, your email address, your address, everything, you fill it here. Then your educational details, this is where you fill your educational details. You put the name of school, all these things, it will update, they are all there. Then this place is where you input your account details. You put your BVN number, your bank account name and the bank account number. So by the time you put everything, it will show you that the profile, it has been completed successfully 100%. So once you have this 100% ready, then the next thing you are going to do now is to apply for the loan. So head over to your dashboard. In your dashboard, click for request for student loan. So by the time you click for request for student loan, it will take you to a page like this. Once it takes you to a page like this, then you click on app need upkeep. This I need upkeep is for you that you are opting that you want to be getting 20,000 naira every month to support your feeding and other things. So your stipend, just like a monthly stipend, you click on this. That is if you want the 20,000 naira. Your school fees will be paid and you'll be getting this 20,000 naira every month. So once you click on this, continue. Then here attach your admission letter, then your student ID card here. Then click your name, acknowledge that I have understand and read. Then continue. Once you click continue, it will show you application successful, and it will also show you your application tracking ID, that is, you have successfully applied. How do you know that you have successfully applied? If it show you that, head over to your dashboard again, come to the home, click on loans. If you want to know you have successfully applied, come to the loans, check here how many loans are there and how many loans have been approved. You can see. So here you see the list of loans that has been approved in your student portal and the academic year. You can see this one is starting from 2023, 2024, 2025. Then the 2025 like 2026 section. These are the ones that have been verified, disbursed. That is going to be a stage by stage process. Once you apply, you successfully registered, applied now, like request for the loan, your status will be showing pending, not verified. It will be showing pending until when it reaches some days, or let me say some stages, they will not verify it for you. It will be showing verified. So by the time it's showing verified now, the next stage it will show is approved. That is either approved, like for this institutional loan, is not going to be approved, it's going to be disbursed. Because in this stage of verified now, the next thing I'm going to see here is disbursed. That is when the money have been sent to my institutional, like my school, to pay my school fees for me. That is when here will be showing it has been disbursed, just the way these ones are showing disbursed. That means for the institutional loan, it has been disbursed. Then how do you know that your upkeep has also been approved? Come to the upkeep loans, check for the approved. So this one is the previous upkeep for 2024/2025 sessions, which has been approved. the one you currently receiving every month. So this is the one that is showing approved. Then this one, you can see the one that is stopped. This one that is stopped is the one, NELFUND recently bring an update that your payment, your monthly payment, is going to be given to you only when the academic sessions are ongoing. That is, they will not be paying money again if your school is not currently on semester. That is, if you are staying at home, they will not be giving you that money again. So that is where they stopped giving us this money previously. They stopped paying this. You can see some of the ones disbursed to me. You can see these ones are the ones disbursed to me earlier this year, as of January, February, March, April. The ones has been disbursed to me. So after cancelling this loan, then they now verify the new one. This is the new one they this is the new one they verified, which is the one they are about to pay. You can see it's not even showing anything here. So this one is for, okay, sorry, oh, sorry, here's it disbursed. Is this one I want to show you guys. Okay, I have three loans here. So this approved is the one I'm currently receiving. You can see some still showing pending, as that is for 2026. Is one I'm currently receiving, like the upkeep, the ones to come, and the one that are yet to come. It will be showing you here to be sure that yes, you will surely receive. So there's some people complaining that, oh, I've registered but my upkeep has not been sent to me, I have not been receiving upkeep, blah blah blah. If your upkeep is showing approved, you will surely receive your upkeep. That one is confirmed. If it is approved and they are paying the upkeep for your institution, you will surely receive it, except when it is pending, or maybe it is very only on verified state. Then you may not receive the upkeep. That is, they will not be paying you upkeep again. Like they will not pay you upkeep. That is when it is not verified. But by the time it's approved, like it's approved, you will start receiving your upkeep. So these are the certain issues, the things you need to know, and the things you need to ignore when applying and reapplying for your student loan. And some people thinking maybe, oh, when I apply for my student loan is only like once in a time. Maybe if I apply for this loan this year, till I finish school, I will be receiving NELFUND. No, you will not receive NELFUND until you finish school. If you still want to get it again for the next session, you still need to request for another loan. Don't think maybe you have to undergo the previous stage of the application whereby you have to create account. No, you already have the account now. The only thing you have to do now is request for another loan. That is what you do. Click on request for another loan, click I need upkeep, and reapply it again continuously. That is how you continue applying. If you are a fresher, you even get like you enjoy net from more than everyone, because you are just starting school in your 100 level. You apply, they paid for you. Next year you still want to get it again, request for another loan, apply, they will pay for you. Another session again, you still want to get it again, request for another loan, they will pay it for you again. So that is how NELFUND works. So these are things you need to know and things you need to ignore when doing your NELFUND application. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. I remain my humble self, the digital Ustaz.